Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 43 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're going to be starting with exercise 60, which are scales intended for super fast agility and flexibility.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So Marchesi has written, the scales from numbers 60 to 67 are especially intended for light soprani. They should not be attempted until the voice has attained a certain degree of flexibility. So I am assuming that a lot of us are not light soprani, but we can still benefit from this exercise. So we're going to go as fast as we can without feeling any interference or instability here at the laryngeal level. So if you start to feel something like, oh, where there's gripping at that level, you might want to just ease up a little bit, okay? Because the idea is to really find this flexibility within the freedom. So I like to think about doing these exercises very soft, only on the head tone, because that keeps me in my most agile place. So let's begin with exercise 60, and I want you to note it's a little bit hard to see, but the first note is actually a 16th note going into 32nd notes, okay? So it might be hard to see for some, and you might think that that's all even. No, it's actually 16th tied to 32nd notes. And here is exercise 60. Oh.